Alright, today we're all three doing a mic check. They said I can do red lights first, so. I ride, Colt waffle grips, Fly mic stays, handlebars, Odyssey motor lever, brake lever, Shadow Conspiracy brake cable, Sunday Funday top load stem, Alienation black sheet or plain black?
Plain black.
Plain black rim set. Well, yeah. Premium tires, I don't know. Premium Subway frame. Crank stock premium. Pedals, Odyssey PVC twisted. Seat, a Colt. Chain. I don't fucking know, I don't care. So, that's my bike.
Alright, I'm riding Shadow grips with Verde Regent bars and a Odyssey B3
Elementary
B3 stem and DK stock sport with a Colt wheel set, a duo front tire, and a Harris sprocket with animal tires, Eastern chrome cranks, another Colt back rim, and a Maxxis tire.
Colt half-link.
Oh, and I have a KMC half-link chain, and I have a Shadow Conspiracy pedal seat. That's my bike.
I'm sorry.
Oh, my friend.
No one gives a shit.
A Fly Pintero 2 frame.
Ugh.
Better than yours, so why are you talking?
Alright, I'm riding DK Cygnus bars with ODI Super Soft.
I sit here!
Primo Annihilator stem.
It sucks. Don't get it.
Eastern Grim Reaper 2 frame. Sunday
Light as
forks. Alienation front wheel. Place 2 DK hub.
Ew. DK.
Stolen mob cranks. I'm getting new ones. Profile 25
What's wrong with the
tooth.
stolen mobs?
I'm getting profiles. I'm getting profile.
And
I got
48 front?
profile 25 tooth. Chain wheel. Junkie chain.
He doesn't fucking know because he doesn't give a shit.
Yeah, I don't. Eastern pivotal seat.
Shitty ass seat post.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. We the people.
Maybe.
I got it from Castle. And Alienation back
It's We
wheel.
the People.
Demolition
We the people.
momentum.
Odyssey pedals and
Oh, don't forget your
Demolition
bottom bracket.
momentum
Show 'em
tires.
your bottom bracket.
oh,
Oh, there's
yeah.
shadow bottom bracket.
Can I see that? No, that's already there. There's my shadow bottom bracket.
Ow! That was my leg!
I don't give a fuck.
The door's open. Your back.
No.
FSA Impact headset.
Oh, I have a $100 tank headset. I don't know where it is. Where you can buy it. And that's your bike.
Ah, wait.
You guys want to see my kitty?
Yeah, kitty. That's what I was looking for.
Kitty!